Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. So guys, it's been about 3 weeks or so since we've last uploaded, and we have a lot of stuff that's happened in the past month. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 potential altcoins to buy right now in the month of June here. We're halfway through the year, and the market has been on a downtrend for the past 6 months. So currently, in the past 24 hours, the market is down about 2%. We saw a slight recovery last week with, the stock market and the crypto market coming back, especially the stock market pumping very huge over the whole week, including Friday had a huge boom. Here we see that crypto is taking a little bit of a downtrend here over the weekend. Bitcoin trading at 21,000. It is down about 1.5%. Ethereum at around 1,200, at around 1.5% down. We see altcoins are all either flat, down about 2 or 3%. We have some outliers like Dogecoin, which is up about 12% right now. We have Tron, which is up 2%, and everything else is either up or down a few percent as well. So it's all over the place, and there's always opportunities out there, obviously. So let's get straight into it, guys, and into the first altcoin. So first altcoin will be Dogecoin. Obviously, this will be a momentum type situation. Dogecoin has been hammered a lot in the past year. Let's just admit that right now, because when the SNL show with Elon Musk happened last year, this coin was trading at what, 70 cents or something like that, close to 80 cents, and now we're trading at 7 cents. That is insane how much this coin went down. Currently, in the past 24 hours, we're seeing a little bit of a run. It is currently at around 11.5%, trading at 7.5 cents per coin. Here in the past week, we're up 29%. Past month, we're actually down about 2%, with lows down here at around half, about 0.5, 0.05, so about a dime. It was about a dime per coin right there. In the past year, we're down over 71%, guys. And then obviously, like we said, that all-time high was close to that 77 cents area, and we've been on a downtrend ever since. We're back to prices where we were trading at last March, which is just insane. And this could be an opportunity, obviously, if Dogecoin ever has a nice little run. It could easily make 100% gains if it came back to about 14 or 15 cents, which is definitely possible, especially in a bull type situation if we saw a bull run, bull market in the future once again. So Dogecoin is definitely an interesting one and one to be watching. Currently, market cap is right under 10 billion on Dogecoin. So at one point, this was close to about a 70, 80 billion market cap coin, maybe even a little bit higher, close to 100 billion at one point, which is incredible to think about. Volume is picking up here at 122% at 943.9 million in volume. We have 84-day typical hold time on this one. It is ranked the number 8 coin, so it's climbing the rankings as well. In volume, it's actually ranked number 6 right now, which is really, really good. We have 74% buy activity, 26% sell activity currently on Doge. People still believe in Dogecoin. I mean, even Elon Musk said, he still owns his Dogecoin and he believes in it. But he's not saying that he's buying more or anything like that. But he has, stated that he is a believer in Dogecoin for the long term. So that's something that he believes in and holds. And a lot of other people do as well. And with prices that are cheap like this, you bet you people are going to be buying it left and right. The Dogecoin millionaire, I believe he is obviously not a millionaire anymore, but he's still holding his Dogecoin. As far as I know, the last time it was worth like 300,000 maybe when I watched one of his videos. Currently, it's probably close to about 500,000. So he's making a little bit of a comeback here. And if this was to get to about 15 cents, he'd probably be a millionaire again. So very interesting to see how that works out for him as well. But Dogecoin in general, very interesting play here. You guys let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think about Dogecoin? Do you think we'll ever come back up to those highs? Or was it a meme type situation where the, coin just rocketed on up because of all that momentum and we'll never see those prices again? So first altcoin on the list is going to be Dogecoin. Now, before we get into the rest of the list, guys, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 50 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, let's look at the crypto bubbles. So the crypto bubbles here in the past week, crypto is coming back. We see a lot of green, guys. So we see Matic. Matic is up over 52% here. Made a nice run last week. I actually watched this one continue to climb higher and higher. We see obviously Dogecoin is here on this list as well, 27%. Avalanche is here at 26%. We have some huge coins here. DeFi Money is up 172% here. We have many other winners here, 40, 50, 60%, 70%. 200% here on Terra Classic. Obviously, this one continues to go up and down. Very dangerous. Sandbox, so Metaverse play right here is 44% as well. Very nice to see that one as well. Continue to, climb on higher now after the big downtrend. A lot of the Metaverse plays have been hammered as people kind of just stopped even paying attention to that stuff after November time period. So very interesting, guys. So let's get into our second altcoin. Second altcoin is going to be Cardano ADA. So a lot of people have been holding this one because it's actually been really, really stable in the past few months. Meanwhile, everything kind of went even lower, but Cardano kind of stayed stable in the past month or so. So let's take a quick look. Here, if we take a look here in the past 24 hours, we're pretty much flat, trading at 50 cents. Past week, we're up 6%. Past month, we're up about 8%, with highs at one point at 69 cents here on May 31st. And then on the 1-year chart, we're down about 63%. But we saw this low here May 11th. It was at around 39 cents. Ever since May, so here we saw, obviously May and June, so about a month and a half or so, it's been, actually staying stable here and not going back down. Meanwhile, we saw, Bitcoin and things like that hit new lows for, the year. Meanwhile, this one stayed here in the 50 cents range and it's staying, very stable. Very interesting to see how Cardano will recover in the future. Obviously here in September, we were trading at over $3 at one point, so we have plenty of room to go, about a 500-600% play right there. Current market cap 16.6 billion. Volume is at 859 million, 34% higher than usual. 144-day typical hold time. It is ranked the number 13th by volume and number 6 by popularity. 70% buy activity, 30% sell activity. If you're not familiar with Cardano, it is a blockchain platform built on a proof-of-stake consensus protocol that validates transaction without high energy costs. Now, development on a Cardano uses the Haskell programming language, which is described as enabling Cardano to pursue evidence-based development for unparalleled security and stability. So Cardano, lots of upside potential once we see that bull market come back in the future. Very interesting one to add to your list for the long term. So let me know what you guys think about Cardano as well. And then last but not least here, we're going to have number 3, which is going to be Decentraland, also known as Mana. So one of the metaverse plays. This is a coin that a lot of people were getting hyped about last year. We had the Decentraland, Axie Infinity. We had the Sandbox. Those were the 3 big plays. And, this one has been pummeled. So in the past 24 hours, we're down about 5.5%, trading at 95 cents. Past week, we're actually up about 20%. In the past month, we're trading flat with lows of 72 cents. On the 1-year chart, we're still up about 95%, but we're very far away from that all-time high at close to $6 here in November. So around Thanksgiving, we hit that high at $6, and we're very far away from that. To get back to that level, we would have to go up about 500%, which is just insane type of returns. So people that believe in these coins for the long term and are buying right now, just imagine the returns, 200, 300, 400, 500% returns in the future when we see a bull type situation, bull market. Obviously, altcoins tend to cycle, so we're going to be seeing different coins in the future, pump on higher and higher. So nobody's guaranteeing that Decentraland will ever come back, but you basically have to find which coins will. Current market cap 1.7 billion. Volume is down about 22% at around 278 million. 69-day typical hold time. Volume by rank is 72. Volume by popularity is 24. 70% buy activity, 30% sell activity. Decentraland is an Ethereum token that powers the Decentraland virtual reality platform. Mana can be used to pay for virtual plots of land in Decentraland, as well as in in-world goods and services. So last year, this was the big, hot thing. Obviously, everybody was buying plots of land on there, but now nobody is doing that right now. Nobody's even talking about crypto or Mana or any of this metaverse stuff right now. That's like nobody's even looking at that. People don't have the money. We're looking at recessions and inflation's going through the roof and different things like that. So let me know your thoughts on that. Do you think that the metaverse will have a comeback in the future, or was it kind of like a hype train that we saw here at the end of 2021 and now, we're on a downtrend? Let me know your thoughts, guys. So now that we've looked at those 3 altcoins, we're going to be looking at the top coins, obviously, to see how they're performing and what we think is going to happen in the future. So first of all, Ethereum here, currently it is trading at around 1,200. So this one is down about almost 2%. Past week, we're actually up about almost 13%. Past month, we're down 30%, with highs actually at around 2,000 on May 30th, which is incredible. So we went from 2,000. We hit lows at one point here, down here. I believe Ethereum went to lows of about, almost $800, $800 low, close to $800, which is insane to think about. I mean, just incredible. This one's just continued to go lower and lower. but we bounced off of it. Let's see what's going to happen next. Are we going to come back, or is it going to continue to go lower and lower? Will we see it go under $700? If it does go under $700, we could see a next support level at around $600, which would just be insane. Obviously, those could be a steal deal right there. Currently, market cap 146.5 billion, so that's definitely been slashed. 13% of the crypto market space. Volume is flat. We have 99-day typical hold time right now. It is ranked number 2 by volume, 2 by popularity, 75% buy activity, and 25% sell activity. What do I personally think is going to happen? I think there's still more pain to come in this year, but I think that it could give us some great opportunities to buy the dip for the future, especially for believers in crypto. I mean, look at this. We were at highs of almost 5,000. That's incredible. That's about a 300% upside potential on Ethereum. Bitcoin here, similar situation, trading at 21,000, down about 1.5%. Past week we're up about 7%. Past month we're down 27%, with highs at one point at around 32,000. Hit lows down here of about 17,000, which is just crazy to think about. In the past year we're down 39%, and then obviously on the all-time chart we're still up, but we're looking very, very dangerous there. There's a little support at 19,000. The next support after that is going to be, under 15,000. So that's going to be incredible to think about. If we go under 15,000, we're going to about 12,000 before we hit that next level, and then potentially 10,000. Do I think that could happen? It could definitely happen if we see more pain in the market and we get into the recession. So we might even be in a recession. We just don't know yet. Current market cap 402.2 billion, 35% crypto market space. Volume is flat, just like Ethereum. Ranked by volume, number 1. Ranked by popularity, number 1. 126-day typical hold time, 83% buy activity, 17% sell activity. What is going to happen in the crypto market, guys? Nobody really knows, but there's always opportunities. When we see things get, slashed like this very, very hard, there's usually a big bounce. So when Bitcoin went to 17,000, altcoins went down very quickly. But when we saw a bounce, a lot of these altcoins went up 10, 20, 30% in a matter of, hours. So there's always opportunities. If you're a day trader, obviously, to be in and out very quickly. Opportunities are always there, guys. So let me know what you guys think is going to happen in the crypto market in the future. As always, smash that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence, and make sure you understand what you get into. I hope you guys have a great one, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.